In the world of automotive legends, few names shine as brightly as the Ford GT. The story of this iconic American supercar spans over 5 decades, evolving through multiple generations to become a symbol of engineering prowess and racing glory. Today, we embark on a journey through time and technology as we compare the GT40, the 2005 Ford GT, and the latest new Ford GT. Each of these vehicles represents a chapter in Ford's pursuit of high-performance excellence. But before we start the video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to ensure you stay updated on our thrilling content. Let's dive in. Features: the GT40, the 2005 Ford GT, and the new Ford GT share a common DNA. They are mid-engine supercars designed to deliver astonishing performance on both the road and track. All three feature lightweight carbon fiber construction, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology. These supercars incorporate active suspension systems, advanced infotainment, and luxurious interiors. The GT40, a vintage masterpiece, laid the foundation for the modern Ford GTs, and each subsequent model has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in terms of features, making them as comfortable as they are formidable on the road. Exterior: the GT40 is a timeless classic, a low-slung sports car with sleek, race-inspired lines. Its short nose and wide haunches give it an aggressive yet graceful appearance. The 2005 Ford GT pays homage to its forebear with a design that echoes the GT40's spirit. However, it modernizes the classic look with a more aerodynamically efficient body and distinctive sweeping air ducts. The new Ford GT takes this lineage further with an even more aggressive, futuristic design, characterized by sharp lines and active aero elements. It's a symphony of carbon fiber, with every curve and vent serving a functional purpose. Interior: the interior of the GT40 exudes a raw, functional charm. The minimalist cabin, dominated by a racing steering wheel and a few essential gauges, emphasizes the car's primary purpose: speed. The 2005 Ford GT carries forward this driver-centric ethos but adds modern amenities, comfortable leather seats, and a premium sound system. In contrast, the new Ford GT boasts a futuristic cockpit with a digital instrument cluster, an infotainment system, and a focus on luxurious materials. While each iteration of the GT maintains its racing heritage, they cater to different tastes in interior design and comfort. Power and performance: the GT40, with its iconic 4.7-liter V8 engine, was a trailblazer in its era, delivering approximately 335 horsepower, which was remarkable at the time. Its lightweight construction and low center of gravity made it a formidable presence on the racetrack, where it clinched legendary victories at Le Mans. In contrast, the 2005 Ford GT emerged with a mighty 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine, churning out an exhilarating 550 horsepower. This powerful iteration elevated the Ford GT to a new echelon of speed and handling, paying a fitting tribute to the GT40's legacy. Fast forward to the new Ford GT, and we find an entirely new level of power and performance. It is equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, twin-turbocharged, producing an astonishing 660 horsepower. This latest iteration takes advantage of advanced materials, aerodynamics, and technology, including active aerodynamic features that adjust in real time to optimize speed and stability. With its power-to-weight ratio rivaling some of the world's most exclusive hypercars, the new Ford GT demonstrates that it's not just a supercar but a true hypercar, pushing the envelope of what's possible on both the road and the track. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to performance excellence, ensuring that the GT lineage remains at the forefront of automotive innovation. As we conclude our journey through the Ford GT's evolution, from the iconic GT40 to the 2005 Ford GT and the modern new Ford GT, we've seen the remarkable transformation of a legend. These supercars, each with its unique story, represent Ford's pursuit of high-performance excellence. In the world of automotive legends, the Ford GT shines brightly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our thrilling content. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through time and technology. Until next time, keep your dreams in high gear.